Aloha guys, today on Ned's Garage I'm going to be fitting these Superpro front sway bar mount bushes to this MY99 WRX. They're super easy to fit. I'm going to walk you through it. Let's do this. Alrighty, so we've got the car up on stands. Now it's really just as simple as undoing the saddles, flipping them out of the way, getting the old bushes out, putting the new ones in. Right? So let's just run out the bolt like that. Flick the bracket off like that. There's our old bush. Get him out of the way. She's all cactus, look, it's all torn inside, stretched and perished. Right, get rid of that, throw it away. Now what we want to do now is just clean the bar. It's got a bit of old rubber on it from the old bush. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to spray it with some degreaser and wipe it with a rag. Okay, now obviously we want to get all that rubber off, so I'm just going to go grab an old wood chisel and just scrape it all off. Right, so that's the main residue scraped off. Now I'm going to get some 400 sandpaper and give it a polish. Alright, so I'm going to give it another shot of degreaser now. Like that. Okay, that's pretty good. Also need to clean the bracket, so just give it a spray with degreaser and wipe with a rag. Alright, cool. Alright, so now we get our new bush. Take one of them out in the grease. Okay, so there it is. Now these Superpro bushes have crosshatch design inside, right? Now that's to provide the bush with little lubricant wells so that the grease stays in there. So that's pretty cool. So what we do now is we use the supplied grease and load it up inside the bush. Make sure you give it a real good dose in there. Spread it out with your finger. And then we put a heap on the bar as well. Spread it out around the bar where the bush is going to go. like that. Okay. Now what we do is put the bush on. I'm going to put an opening to the back because the mount clamps at the front. Okay, like that. Now we'll slide that clamp in, like this, and slide it up over the bush. So now we just put a bit of grease on the thread of the retainer bolt and push it back up into the bracket and screw it into the cross member. So we can start it with our impact to run it up like that. Then we'll torque it up by hand. Like that. Cool. Alright, so that side is done. Now let's do the same for the other side. Alright, there it is, second one all done. Cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just wipe the excess grease off the hanger, like that. Like that. Leave all the excess grease on the actual bar, that won't hurt. Help keep it lubricated. Alright, so here they are, here's the two bushes, all fitted in place. Certainly improvement over the old rubber ones. You can see how they fit in the factory hanger perfectly. Cool. We can let the car down now. Alright guys, well we've got our nice new Superpro front sway bar mount bushes fitted. They're going to be rad. Big upgrade over the factory ones. Remember they've got a lifetime warranty too, so if anything ever happens, get some new ones. Now we've also already fitted Superpro sway bar mount bushes in the back, so make sure you head over to that video and check that out. The link's in the comments of this one. And while you're over there, make sure you check out our rear sway bar link upgrade, because it shows you a way to get rid of the old soggy plastic links and replace them with some nice Superpro heavy duty ones. So that's it guys, thanks for tuning in once again to Nev's Garage. Please keep liking, sharing, and also subscribing, and see you next time.